In this video, I will show you how to uninstall or disable extensions in Antigravity. So the first thing is you want to navigate to Extensions tab. You can find it over here. And firstly, we'll see all of your installed extensions in this menu. So you can see I have 9 extensions. And for example, if I want to remove this Go extension, what I can do, I can click on it, and you can either disable the extension or uninstall. So if I click on uninstall, it's going to uninstall the extension, and this is how you can uninstall it. If you want to, for example, disable all of your extensions at once, you can click on those three dots over here, and you can click on disable all installed extensions. And if you want to enable them back, you can simply go over here again and enable all extensions, or you can manually enable the specific ones you want. And this is how you can uninstall or disable extensions in Antigravity. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.